And I won't be using these anymore. I'll be upgrading to these. Check this out, guys. These are durable, high strength, BOA tough gloves. Right inside the box there's a welcome note. Now they do have different strengths, and the one that I went for is the BOA Max. Thanks for the gift, guys. Some cool stickers here too. Inside there's 100 large gloves. They are powder free and for single use only. These gloves can be used when cleaning in the industry of automotive, industrial, laboratory, or even the food industry, which I've seen quite often. Really feels tough then compared to other gloves. Doesn't seem to stretch out as much. Fits comfortably well on your hands, and yes, you can accurately navigate through your smartphone on the touchscreen. Easily washes off the paint and not a single drop of water on my hands. Keeping my hands clean and dry. Well guys, it's a thumbs up for me for these tough gloves. I will be switching over to these for now. If you want a box, guys, check out the link below. Stay safe, peace.